Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing Session. In this session, let us see a term called Open to Buy. An Open to Buy plan is a purchasing budget for future inventory orders that a retailer creates for a specific period. It helps a retailer stock the right amount of right products at the right time by showing the difference between how much inventory is needed and how much is actually available. Having a solid handle on your inventory is the best way to guarantee you will always have enough stock on hand to meet the demand. Excess inventory or too much of wrong product can slow your cash flow and reduce the profits, especially if you are forced to mark items down. It is the supply and demand imbalance that causes retailers to lose out an estimated 500 billion in out of stock item every year in US. At the same time, underbuying a product can result in missed sales opportunities, hurt your profit and damage the customer experiences. When products are out of stock, just 27% of the shoppers go to the retailer's website or return to the store. The majority will look in another store or skip the purchase entirely. Creating an open to buy plan can help retailers decide how much inventory to buy or manufacture while keeping the cash flow positive. This guide shares how to create one for your retail store. Of course, if you need it, contact us. What is open to buy? It is an inventory management strategy that helps retailers calculate how many products they need to buy. This includes physical inventory on hand and in transit, as well as any outstanding order. And open to buy can be calculated in units or dollars, but is usually calculated in terms of cash, as there are variation in cost between products. OTB plans are also incredibly flexible for your retail business. Thanks for watching. Bye.